My earliest memories are of my grandparents rather than my parents, or because for the years that he was there with us, he and I were at a constant battlefront.
That's true.
He used to torment me constantly. So I had to
fair
fight.
share of it yourself as well.
He did.
Well, I've got to get my own share of whatever's happening. And I was frightened of chickens, of the hens. And he took great delight on one occasion. I do remember very clearly. I was sitting in my high chair. We were sitting having our dinner. And he came in and he tied me into the chair. And he went back out and he came in with the chicken and he put the chicken stuffed it in beside me and walked away. Well, I had to have revenge for that. But I remember it so clearly. About 2 days later, he was moving sheep. And he had a little shed behind the house, what had been Dómh Garrig's house. Now, don't start me on Dómh Garrigh. But he was a relation of my grandfather. And there was a very narrow gap between the house and the big shed that they used as a workshop and as a garage. And I was standing in the road and he shouted to me, he could do a show, like Shes the bee and show. And I just looked at him and I said, "Cack." And I turned my heel. Well, he was dancing with rage. The sheep scattered.